So I'm inside this Duquesne furnace. It is a, let's see up there, MPGA 075B3A. And all the information I find online tells me that it takes that Honeywell replacement board. It's like a ST9120U1011 or something like that. Anyway, watched a video of a guy said that he had one kind of like this, and it had gotten some, he replaced them 3 times, and it had gotten cold solder joints on the back. So I'm going to see if I can just pull this thing apart and find a bad solder joint. So that's what this subject of this video is. Because I got the furnace company, it was like $125 for the diagnostic, and although the part is like $128, their price to put it in was $680 plus the $128. So I don't really want to do that if I can avoid it. So sure enough, flip this thing over, and I don't know what that silicone is about, but that joint right there is clearly open. So I'm going to try just doing that, and maybe if that fixes this and will help somebody else avoid a $680 plus $125 diagnostic bill in the future, that'll be worthwhile. Okay, we got some solder on there. It's maybe not as shiny as I'd like, but there it is. It flowed pretty well. Seemed to go into all the crevices. Alright, I'm pretty sure I got all the wires put back on right now. Let's try it. The moment of truth. Throw the switch. Okay, we had ignition before. That was no problem. It was the fan that was not working before. Oh yeah, that's air. All right, well, hopefully that'll save somebody a bunch of money.